Ayan. Hello everyone, it's me again, Teacher Nel. Okay, so our topic for today is to divide fractions. Ano po? Ayan, so today po we'll be going to use the KCF, no? Not KFC, yeah. KCF. Okay? Okay, so but before that, let us have the short intro. Okay, so let us divide fractions. Okay, so let us use the KCF. KCF stands for keep, change, flip. Ano po? Yan. So how to use this keep, change, flip? Okay, so this will be our dividend na po will be keep. Yan. So that is KCF, right? Then our operation po will be change. Yeah, and then our divisor will be flip. Okay, so let's start po with number 1. Okay, so let us keep 1/5. Yan. Then from division to change to multiplication. Then our divisor from 2/5 to, and so let us flip so that will become 5/2. Okay, then proceed to the rule in multiplying fractions. Okay, so we just simply multiply the numerator. So 1 times 5 is equal to 5. 5 times 2 is equal to 10. Okay, and as you can see na po, our fraction 5/10 na po is not yet in its lowest term. Okay po, so let us divide these two numbers po by their greatest common factor, ano po, which is 5. Okay, so divide both by 5. Okay, so 5 divided by 5 will give you 1. 10 divided by 5 will give you 2. So that is 1/2. Okay, so let us do the same po. Number 2. 2/9 divided by 4/9. Okay, so let us keep 2/9. Then from divide to times. Then from 4/9, let us flip it to 9/4. Okay, so let us do now the multiplication. Ano po? Ayan, let us multiply this fraction. So 2 times 9 is equal to 18. 9 times 4 is equal to 36. Ayan, so as you can see na po, 18 and 36 is not yet in its lowest term. So let us divide both numerator and denominator by 18. Okay, so divide by 18, divide by 18. So that is equal to 1, and 36 divided by 18 is 2. Wow, we have the same answer, no? So that is also 1/2. Okay, so let us do the same po with number 3. And so let us keep 5/6. From divide to times. Then from 3/5 to, and then from 3/5 to 5/3. Then let us do the multiplication of 5 times 5 is equal to 25 divided by 6 times 3 is equal to 18. Okay, so as you can see na po, this is improper. So let us make it into mixed number. Okay, so how many 18 are there in 25? So that is 1. Then we have here the numerator. 25 minus 18 is 7. Over copy the denominator 18. So that is 1 and 7/18. Okay, so if this is clear to you na po, Kindly use the same process po to answer the next items 1 and 2. Okay po? So if you think po this is helpful to you, please click the like button. And if you do consider po, please subscribe for more videos. That's all po. Thank you for watching.